Hello everybody and good morning. It's early. It's 5:53. I'm headed to the Tesla service center this morning. Got a couple little things I dealt with after delivery. Didn't get a chance with everything going on. Now that I'm back from Dayton, I've scheduled a trip here to Matthews, North Carolina. Gonna stop and get a Scottish breakfast up here and head on into the city of Charlotte. You don't see this every day. An old Corvair, believe it or not. Kind of rust red, but at least it's running. And of course, no trip is even possible without a Scottish breakfast. Welcome to Charlotte traffic. Oh boy. Just about at Tesla here, passing all the legacy automobile folks. And I think I see mostly all used vehicles. They don't have much, but whatever. Anyway, just turning in here now. Wow, lots of stock. I think these are all for delivery, since all the Tesla cars are already purchased and waiting delivery. All right.
Now turn right.
Yeah, we are here. All right, let's get this baby in. Here's the Model Y, and X, and an S, and another S here. Just checking it in for whatever kind of service here. I'm here at Tesla Matthews, North Carolina. And the invasion has started here. You may be new to Tesla and don't realize this. There's a plaid Model X. How about that? Isn't that cool? It's got a plaid badge on the back. You can look here. See this? There's the plaid Model X badge. Anyway, I'm here at Charlotte. Took my car in. One of the tires was not balanced. They addressed it. And just looking around the parking lot here. And as you notice that it's really full. There's car carriers over there. Guy over there offloading cars. We've got this car carrier just arrived. And they are going to be delivering all these cars here. Now, one thing about Tesla you may or may not know, you see all these cars and you're thinking, dang, look at that. All these cars are just going to sit here on the lot. No sirree, Bob. Every one of these cars is sold. They're just waiting for the customers to come and pick up the car. That's one of the things Tesla has over Legacy Auto, where Legacy Auto leases cars from the manufacturer, puts it on the lot, and hope that somebody comes by and buys them. Every one of these Teslas is sold, so they're just waiting for the delivery time and date for people to come. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm out of here, heading back home. My unbalanced tire is fixed, and I'm ready to go. I'm just about home here. I'm out on Highway 74. It was an uneventful trip. Got the car back. Got a few things taken care of, which is great. If you liked the video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos, and take care.